Hi guys, we received this KVM switch, 2 in and 1 out dual monitor 2-port for reading purposes, and I think it's a really nice device because you can connect to computers to 2 different monitors, which is quite nice. This is the main unit. As you can see, we have the exits of the HDMI here, the USBs to use peripherals on both computers, and 2 HDMI's outlet to connect to the monitors and to your PCs. In this front part, we got the switch to change between the PCs, and 3 USB ports to add your peripherals like a camera, a keyboard, even a mouse. It comes with these 2 USB 3.0 to use with this part upon the laptops, a switch control which goes with this cable directly. You just plug it in here and in here, and you can have the switch further away than the main unit, which is nice. And the energy cable, which is a type C, you just plug it in and it's ready. It's quite nice. And the user manual, and these kind of like silicone legs, so it doesn't scratch your furniture, your surface, anything you want to protect. You just place them and it's ready. So I think it's really nice because you can even combine platforms. Like you can use at the same time a Mac computer and a Windows, and using 2 different monitors, one using the Mac and the other the Windows, and switch between them, which is really nice and a really good function. So let's go, let's install it and let's see how it works.
So now we are ready. We are using the switch, and let me tell you something really interesting. I am using the switch with 2 different kind of computers. A Mac Mini in one of the ends, and a Windows laptop in the other end. So I can switch between Windows and Mac in my main monitor. This is what I am seeing in my Mac computer. I can have here a TV station, work that I have to do later, stock market chart, whatever, and I am working right now in the Windows computer, as you can see, with my Apple keyboard and my main mouse. Okay, so whenever I see something in my Mac that I have to take care of, I can change and switch to it. Let's do it. As you can see now, I can be working in whatever thing I have to do in my Mac computer. As you can see, this is my Mac computer, and be able to take a look at what's happening in my other computer. So let me change again the computer that I'm be working with to go back to my Windows computer. And now I am in my Windows computer. Also, you can put in the USB ports peripherals like cameras or whatever, or printers, and they will work with the computer that is in the main window or in the main section. So this is the way you have to put the cables. The 2 monitors go here, monitor 1, monitor B, and the computer HDMI cables, the ones that come from the computers, go in these 2 sets. This is the first computer, this is the second computer, and these USB-A cables directly to the computer, so all the peripherals will work great. This is the energy or electricity cable, this USB-C, and you put it in a, directly to the energy, okay? Let me show you. Okay, and in the other side, you have the switching button if you don't want to use the one in your desk. It will tell you which PC is working, and these USB ports will help you to put all the peripherals. Like I have now the camera, the mouse, and the keyboard, okay? This is the actual remote control to change the PCs. So, well, this is a great switching unit. So you can use two different computers with two different monitors and switch between them to be working in one computer at a time and be looking at the other computer in the other monitor. Thank you.